case you're wondering, that's legit my morning routine. You've probably had that day where you wake up and you have this immense motivation and this intention to finish so many big things during the day. Like paying the bills, walking your dog, studying for finals, or drafting this post of this fire-ass lunch that you're about to have. But then you get halfway through your day and you already start to run out of motivation. You feel satisfied with what you already did, or you think the 7th fix of coffee will give you the much needed boost to help you finish your 10-page paper or final video edit for a client. For me, being a freelancer and working at home, there's distractions literally everywhere. You're a distraction! This year, I started the Pomodoro Technique. But does it even work? These dogs are playing. So cute. Now, what is the Pomodoro Technique? It's a time management system. You set an intention, put all distractions away, work for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, then repeat. You do 4 of these 25-minute sessions, then you take a longer 20 to 30-minute break, then back into it. The goal is to reduce all interruptions and boost you into a state of flow and focus. Even going on YouTube looking for some motivational study with me videos that have that juicy lo-fi music, they implement this technique. So imagine a regular 9-to-5 job. How much time do you think the workers actually spend working? So according to a study by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, they found that workers actually spent less than 3 hours working in a regular 9-hour workday. So literally, if you complete 2 of these Pomodoro sessions, you work more than the average worker at a 9-to-5 job. So I started using this technique for creative work about a couple months ago, and I noticed I was able to eliminate burnout. Before, I used to work 2 hours and I would notice myself getting super fatigued. Using the technique, I noticed I was able to work 6 hours without really feeling burnt out or fatigued. So I even use this technique to edit this video. Your eyes white balance really easily, so it sucks when you're staring at a screen for a long time because then colors start to look different to you. And it truly sucks when your job is based on making colors look good, so I just need that time to readjust too. I even started wishing that I had more hours in the day to do more things. So specifically, the 5-minute breaks are what helped me to continue for so long. I avoided fatigue and I was able to hop back onto these projects with this focus, motivation, and the state of flow. I noticed that it was important for me to not go overboard the 25 minutes of work. It's easy to overwork, and that's when I started to feel myself losing motivation in the long run. So as much as you're into your work and your project, you have to remind yourself to take breaks and not be stubborn about it. It also gave me the peace of mind to not keep asking myself, am I doing enough? Or did I do enough for the day? Especially with tasks that you can do for an unlimited amount of time, like studying, drawing, or writing, it's easy to not feel a sense of accomplishment when you're just practicing. So with the Pomodoro technique, I started to realize how much time I was actually putting into each of these things. And you start to realize how much effort you're actually putting in every day, and you can start to feel proud about those things. So with a client, you may charge them a certain amount, and then I started to realize how much time that I was actually putting into these projects. And then in the future, you can know how much you should charge and how much each project actually takes to complete. In the end, you'll start to realize how much time and energy you're putting into certain things and what you're actually neglecting. And you can start to reevaluate where you put your time and energy into things. So there are 2 types of people. There are workaholics and people that will find any excuse to take a break. The goal is to eliminate distractions while pushing productivity, but it also promotes taking breaks, which is a truly important takeaway for me personally. I think your mental state is truly important, and just knowing when to take breaks can truly benefit you, yourself, and your work in the end. So give it a shot, but also stick with it for a bit. Sick, thank you guys for watching. Like the video if it helped you or if you found it entertaining. Let me know in the comments how long you were able to work for, or if this even helped you to not procrastinate anymore. Thank you again for watching. Please like the video, subscribe below, hit the bell notification, and peace out, beautiful people. I will see you soon.